My name is Anthony, and these are my top 5 favorite spots in all of Sedona. If you're booking your trip soon, you don't want to miss this video, so make sure you watch all the way to the very end. If you enjoyed the video, please consider hitting the thumbs up button so that it ranks higher in the algorithm. Sedona is a beautiful southwestern town located in central Arizona, about 2 hours north of Phoenix. It's known best for its beautiful red rock landscape and its amazing jaw-dropping buttes. If you're an outdoorsman and love to be among nature, then booking a trip to Sedona is definitely something that you should do in your lifetime. There are so many different hiking trails and things to do, so in this video I'll give you a rundown of my top 5 favorite things to do in Sedona. Starting with number 5. Courthouse, Butte, and Bell Rock are going to immediately catch your eye as soon as you start driving up or down Route 179. Bell Rock is uniquely shaped like a bell and offers a pretty moderate hiking experience with an elevation of 4,919 feet above sea level. Once you finally make it close to the top, you are greeted with some of the most incredible and jaw-dropping views. One of the first things you will notice is the Sedona Airport Mesa and Cathedral Rock, making this easily one of my most favorite spots to hike in all of Sedona. Climbing Bell Rock is like climbing a huge staircase. A lot of people come to Sedona in search of energy vortexes, which are believed to have spiritual and healing properties. Bell Rock is home to one of those vortexes, with most of the energy on its northern side. To access Bell Rock, there is both a north and south parking lot, which will give you access to the trailheads. Just keep in mind this is one of the busier spots with limited parking, so you might have to wait for a spot or come here when there's not many people. Number 4 on my list is Soldier's Pass, which is home to the 7 sacred pools and Devil's Kitchen, a giant sinkhole. Soldier's Pass was originally an ancient Native American footpath, but it gets its name from General Crook's Army Scouts who lived in Fort Verde during the 1870s. They used the trail to travel through parts of the Arizona Territory. Today, it's a moderate hiking trail that loops through 4.7 miles of caves and beautiful Sedona scenery, although you do not have to hike the entire trail to get the full experience. The first major thing you will see is Devil's Kitchen, which, like I said before, is a giant sinkhole. It's truly incredible to see in person. Hiking a little bit further down the trail, you will notice the 7 sacred pools, while being surrounded by amazing red rock scenery. Parking is limited here, which keeps the trail less trafficked, although you will see Jeep tours driving through every now and then. This is definitely a must-do hike while in Sedona. Number 3 is Sugarloaf Summit, a 1.9 mile trail that offers incredible 360-degree views of Sedona. This is by far one of the best hikes you will do and is totally worth the climb up to the top. Parking is limited here, so it's best to come in the morning before sunrise, and honestly that's the best view. However, you can find spots throughout the day if you're patient. You can see everything here, from Sedona's Airport Mesa to Bell Rock, Courthouse Butte, Soldier's Pass, and more. Number 2 on the list is Route 89A's Scenic Drive. From Sedona's downtown district to Flagstaff is by far one of the best ways to experience Sedona. There's so many different things that you can do here, as there are lots of different pull-offs to park at and enjoy Oak Creek, or even stop at Slide Rock State Park to enjoy the natural water slides carved by nature out of the rocks. Just be aware that the water is extremely cold, as water from Oak Creek flows from the mountaintops where the temperatures are freezing. There's also 2 campsites along Route 89A, along with Junipine Resort. I have stayed and camped at all of these places, and it is definitely something to experience, and maybe even the best way to experience the natural beauty of Sedona. If you keep driving up 89A, you'll reach the switchbacks. It can be a scary drive for some, but for others this is an incredible adventure and is well worth the experience. And finally, number 1, Rachel's Knoll. I'm going to be honest, I debated putting this on the list because many people that visit Sedona don't know about the incredible beauty of Rachel's Knoll. The Knoll overlooks 7 converging valleys and of course those beautiful red rock views. Rachel's Knoll is located within the 7 Canyons Resort and has an entry fee of $3 to get in. They only take cash, so make sure you have the money on hand. This is a great spot to go, especially for those with disabilities that may not be able to hike, because you can drive to the top of the knoll and experience the incredible and jaw-dropping views with little effort. Rachel bought this land in the 1970s and decided she wanted everyone to experience the beauty of this magical place. There was a period of time where the 7 Canyons Resort shut down the knoll, but after much heated debate, it was reopened to the public. Rachel's wish was for all to enjoy it, and in the end, her wishes were honored. While the area does have some homes built nearby, this doesn't ruin the experience, and I encourage everyone who visits Sedona to go and see Rachel's Knoll for yourself. It's truly a breathtaking experience. Sedona is easily one of the most beautiful places on earth, and if you have the opportunity in your lifetime to see it, then you shouldn't pass it up. I would argue it is the most beautiful place on earth. Nothing compares to those beautiful red rocks and green scenery. Are you planning a trip to Sedona? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you're updated when I create new videos. Thank you so much for watching.